This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. Nice 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath 2-story, 4 square, home, large rooms and closets, updated kitchen and baths, beautiful natural woodwork on the main floor with built-ins. Newer heat pump and AC, fenced yard with shed. Full finishable basement with tall ceilings. Seller will credit buyer a $3,000. Flooring allowance with full price offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob McGinnis at 712-255-7310.